Nige gatiye cukuru cia secondary cia Nyaribari igurwa bene ritukuria rero asense ya Kenya nene muno kurwa Sorogongo rwa Nyaribari Masaba igo cukuru eci cia Nyaribari igurwa igatia abo cukuru twa Nyaribari gutaraniri ya Moige susu St Mark Mokorogonywa Mobamba Masimba High School St Ruanga Ichun Girls gatiye cukuru cinde nyinge Nyana boniga barimu abanene be cukuru ekiga banyara kwenekia ugocha kwa bana bangiri tukuria rero banyara goteba nigo bebe kirange gochaka etamu entangani na wewe abarimu gochigo soibira simena gochaka gosomia.
The learners have reported and we are set to go. I know this year we are likely to have challenges. The numbers that we have won't be available because we do not have now Form 1.
As this school go irulero tana bia bana ntundero toigora bana tana blero bia yaba na masoma chake because kuna igora to abate meeting into akorete sabalimu tukobeka strategies bana tokuigora rero abalimu bachakire birasi bizi masomo na yandrete towa kere serikali mbiyemo na so support school awa na tiga tuchage tamu yebia toge
high school. The term has begun well, we thank God, and as you can see students are arriving. We thank God and we're hoping for the best as the term begins.
Ekrabo igaba orokiwa baiga Nyaribari gosegetwa irinde batiko korumukia ekerera bene ntamu ya bentangania so mwako iga 2025 no nyana boniga banimu abaiga banene banyara gukwanira amatemu manene ayuara chigosoka bwango iga.
The good result, I know the exams results are getting out this week as promised by our CS, and we are expecting a better result.
Amatemu ayari busubuna toganya tago chigosoka umpuo beti buna ngo chigosoka.
Ekrabo igatia ba ibori banyara gukwanira ekrabo banyara kubwatuka abana bene kuruchinka chiabo na kogende skuru banyara goteba nyonya uchumi ya kongire nere yabo igaboro kiwa baiga gochikomenta gokorumukia.
Ibintu bya kumara kende nyasawo tugwerere twanyore bikeigo twemigire twaretire nonya challenges chiabeta chinga chibese chiyo nyinge na letro mwane skuru
ana bose skuru ya Masimba High School eyabira sike Getembe batabwatie boarding facility nigo mwanmu monene aine kiabor kigwa bugo ikirana ase skuru ekarwa iganyara goteba na lierabe entunda entangani ase skuru yao chigotwara boarding facility asabana bali ba Form 4 ekarwa iganyara gosaba bara ikurwa sense meiga wego chikobwatira nerinde skuru eiga kogenderera.
This year our Form 4s will be both boys and girls. We have a dorm which is incomplete. We are requesting Mheshimiwa to help us complete the dormitory so that the girls can be accommodated in that dorm.
Koripoti rike taseni kia Getembe koroiga Nyaribari Masaba iwe gotoke me county ya Kisii ilietariane igongoro kwa Dan.